everyone. So my package arrived and now I'm gonna finally open my iMac. Okay, so enough talking. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna open it now.
Do you have a scissors? Scissors.
I thought, you know how like when you open packages, it's like, oh, there it is. It's easy, like when you open a Mac package.
Oh, perfect.
Here it is. Okay, so nice. Okay.
Oh my god, I was just gonna fit in your room.
It's not. It's okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Wow. That was very satisfying. Dang.
What is
so
this?
Nice. That's a screen.
Oh, I'm like, what is this?
Okay, do you want to come around? Oh, wow. Do you see that?
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
That's so cool. Okay. Oh, I don't want to break it. Like, I don't know how to... Oh my god. Okay. Oh, wow. Ooh. Wait, what?
Yeah, it's a paper you remove.
Oh, that's nice. Dang, it's so nice. So
Oh, this is a different one than I have.
yeah, it came with the standard one, but dang. Okay.
This is a finger one.
Yep. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna open this right now, okay? It's in the back here. Oh. The mouse. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's nice. I like the noise.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go for it.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm. What else? What else? And then this cable. Oh, wow. Should I open them or? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open this one. Oh, wow. I should have done this one by one. Oh, who cares? Okay, the charger. Okay. I think there's stickers in here. I never use the stickers. Do you?
Mm-mm. Oh, I did for the case. For my case, I put an Apple sticker.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, it's a different color.
I love it. It's nice. It's cute. I only see one, which is nice. Thank goodness.
That's a different color because it used to be white.
Mhm.
Now that's silver. Do you think it's different? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's different.
It's like, whoa.
Yep. It's when you get a certain color, it's a certain. Yeah, it's that color. That's nice. Another sticker I'm not gonna use.
Why did they like remove chargers, ports, and all of that, but no, not stickers?
For reals, huh? Is that it? Like,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't think they'd hide it and be like, "Get rid of it."
just kidding. There's more. Okay. Okay. And now, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Where'd you open it? Oh. Wait, where is it? Hold up. Hello. Oh, feels it.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna have to put sticker there.
You gonna get this white?
No. It only comes in that color. For the silver one.
Oh.
Oh wow! Looks nice. Oh, you can see your reflection now, huh? Dang. Dang, that's so beautiful. Alright, so here's my small setup. I added this little thing so the camera won't turn on. I'm very nervous that like someone might look through it. And I bought this long mouse pad in Shein for like I think $7. And I got this from 15 like I don't know, like 12 years ago. So yeah, this is my setup. I'm excited to start using it. I just wanted to show you guys. I know it looks a little messy, but I promise you, I'm going to use everything, that's why. Yeah.